You may be wondering how to create your animated travel route map. In this video, I will show you how to do it. First, go to Canva and select Video. And choose the first one. Now, go to Elements and search for Graph Paper Background. Go to Photos. Scroll down and choose this one. Now resize the background inside the canvas. Duplicate and resize them again, then group them together. And I will adjust the color like this. Now go to Elements and search for World Map. I will choose this one. Just make sure to choose the image from the graphics subcategory, as it gives you the possibility to change the color of the selected element. And now I will resize the element inside the canvas. Now I will change the color, and you can choose any color you want. Now I will zoom in. After that, go to Elements and search for GPS. Now I will resize the element inside the map, then change the color. After that, duplicate 2 times by pressing Alt and drag. Now change the color of each one. Search for apps from the sidebar. Search for Text Maker. Now scroll down and choose this style. Change the text to Egypt. Add to design. Change the text to India. Now resize each element to fit inside your map. Go to Elements and search for dotted line. Change the color. Now adjust the line between the locations. Increase the thickness a little bit. Change the style to curve. Adjust the line. Now duplicate the line and adjust it to fit between your location. Go to Elements and search for Pin. Resize the element. Now select the element. Choose Show Timing. Go to Animate. Scroll down. Select Pause. Now decrease the speed a little bit. Repeat the process for each element. Now animate the line. I'm going to choose the wipe effect as it indicates the moving directly to the location. Now go to Timing and adjust the timing of each element in a sequence manner. I'm going to adjust this one a little bit. And also this one. Now let's preview our work. Good. Now go to Uploads. I'm going to choose this image right here. Now remove the background. Flip the element and duplicate. Now show the timing and adjust the timing for the element at every location. Now let's preview our work.